Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see Spotify Wrapped 2021 and find your top songs in 2021. What you can do, the first step would be to open up your Spotify app. And as you can see here on your home screen, the first thing is on the left, your 2021 in review. On the left is the animation one. If you click that, you get this animation thingy. And on the right of it, it says your top songs. This is the playlist curated as your 2021 Wrap to see your most listened to songs. If this doesn't work and is not showing up, you can go to your browser and search for Spotify Wrapped, which will then get you to this link. And this is the one you want to click, 2021 Wrapped. Spotify, click it, it will get you to your app. And as you can see here, at the top is the animation again. At the bottom is your playlist of your top songs. And that's essentially it. I hope this video could help you out in finding your top songs in 2021 and to see Spotify Wrapped. If it did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.